Oh, the music's over. Hey, Violet. Violet, come back and turn the music back on. Come here.
What a big girl you are. Yay! You can clap and walk at the same time.
Good job. All right. Yay!
Wow! Look at her go! Where are you going? She's going to go explore the house. She's clapping as she goes.
Where are you going? Are you going into your room? Let me come back over here with Mama.
Yay!
Yay!
Want a mama? No?
She's rolling. Play some more tunes. Oh, is there a duck out there?
Oh, yeah, there is. Do you see it?
Boom.
Do you see the duck? Do you see the duck? Hmm?
You see a duck, Violet?
Where is he? Is he in the pond? He's in the lake. I guess it's a lake, isn't it? Violet, can you play some tunes? Can you play some tunes? Yay! Look at you clapping and walking. Mm-hmm. Yay!
Hey, Violet. Violet. Let me stay up here, okay?
She's going to her room, I think. She's down there all.
Yep. Where you going, kiddo? Boom. Down you go.
Wait, don't go. Don't push it. Give me a second. There you go.
Can you groove? You're gonna be like doing rap DJing.
I can't believe it's going on that blanket.
Wait, where's that thing going?
It's tough. By the way, where's the monkey? We played the monkey the other day, remember? Where's the monkey? Is the elephant? Yeah. Giraffe. There's the monkey.
Wow! You
Oops.
got a single!
Oops.
Oh, there's the monkey! There's the monkey!
Nice swing!
Hey, clap, Mom.
Clap, you want me to clap?
Yeah.
Yay, Violet!
Yay, Violet! Yay! Oh, you're not gonna... Oh, that's not like your other toy.
That's pretty small.
Bye-bye!
Whoa!
Look how strong you are! You think Elmo needs a ride?
Boom.
Yay, Violet! Yay!
Oh boy!
Oh.
You hit a triple!
Yay! Daddy hit a triple. Yay!
Hey, Violet, come on over here.
Great job!
Come on over here. Come on over here.
Yeah, alright. Come play some music for us.
Come on over here. Play some tunes.
Baseball fan!
Come play for us. Come over here and play the music. Come on. Look at you. Ah. You don't mean me. Good job.
Panda? Did you say panda?
That one's heavy. You might not be able to pick it up and walk.
Uh-oh, the door's closed.
I know, open the door.